What's up? Alright guys, I got a basic AMC update for you. We're going to go over the technicals and fundamentals which are driving the stock price up, where I think things are going, and I also have a SPY prediction for you guys that will tie into AMC and where things are going. And if you do follow the SPY, you might find that informative as well. But let's go ahead and get right in the charts, check out the data, the fundamentals, the technicals, and see where I think things are going for AMC stock. Alright guys, we're here with the chart and we're looking at AMC. So not too much going on. I normally like posting and reporting my major videos when there's a lot going on. We do have some reports of there's maybe some short covering. I think that's just FUD to scare us. I don't think shorts are covering. I think what we've seen here, this run up was a gamma squeeze. After we got our initial legs, we had enough call options to push us up and see what we've seen here. We're now consolidating in this bullish formation pattern, which I marked in blue. I marked the pattern in red, and I marked the price prediction in blue. So this should be somewhat of what we should be seeing. We might see a breakout earlier. If we do break above this red line, this sloping resistance, we could see us move up and actually break above this $8.35, which is our estimated price target of this bull flag, and break out of that. So we are seeing very, very good things for AMC. We also have a lot of gamma squeeze opportunity. We have a lot of call options around the $10, $12, and $10 and $12 mark. I do think that if we do see that push up, especially past $8, we'll see a lot of calls expiring in the money. And if we look at the options chains itself, you guys can see that we do have a lot of options around that $13, $12, large concentration around $11 and $10 especially, and $9. So if we get past $8, we have a clear gamma ramp from $45 or from $8 to $9 to $10. So we should see, if we can get past $8, a very quick move to $10. And this thing could get very out of control very quickly and move up to these higher levels that you see here, where there's options accumulating. So here's all the calls accumulating, the numbers that you guys see, and then here is the strike price, which means what price that the option would be in the money. So as you can see, things are looking very, very good for a nice gamma squeeze and nice gamma ramp for AMC. We also have the cost to borrow rate up extremely high. We did see it shoot up above 100%, but it didn't stay up there very long. It's back around 50 or 45%. As you can see, this is the chart for the cost to borrow rate, and it's still at pretty much all-time highs. Not all-time highs because we did have this large spike, but it's still remaining very, very high and putting a lot of short pressure on the shorts, which is very, very good for our stock and for our play. Short interest from Fintel is officially still 19.76%. So you guys can see that we have 3.09 days to cover, and it's still looking very, very good for short interest. And we do not see any reports in short interest drying up anytime soon, or signs of short covering, which some people are saying. But again, I think that is FUD. Mostly what I'm seeing, guys, is just that we're going to have probably a huge potential for a gamma squeeze. So if we do get above this $8 level, we're going to see a run up. I don't think that we'll break below these resistances and move back down. I don't think we're going to go back below the 200-day moving average that we're above on the 4-hour, which is at about $6.50. So if we do need to go down and retest something, it would be $6.50. But I think that we could see a nice push up after that. But I'm hoping that we just consolidate in this bull flag and then continue on up. So basically, I'm predicting next week to be pretty much sideways. Some people might get emotional if we do lose a little bit of leverage, but remember that things are still looking very, very good for AMC. I also have a little prediction here on the overall stock market, which AMC has tends to follow. Even when the stock market has been pushed down, though, AMC has showed a lot of relative strength, which is absolutely great for our stock and for our play. But this is my prediction for the SPY stock market, basically forming what I see to be a double top, a cat ear double top, where you have a top here, consolidation, then another top. Then it's going to break out of this falling or this ascending wedge, which normally always breaks down hard, and then form a head and shoulders pattern and actually come back down to test this lower resistance way down here. That's a little bit further out, but for this week's prediction, it would be just consolidation. As AMC consolidates, then we see a higher push up around the time that AMC could possibly be breaking out, and that could actually drive us up. And then we see this big push down, which could pull us down, but we'll get there and talk about that if and when the time comes. But I do think this prediction on SPY is very, very accurate, and this is what we'll be seeing is consolidation forming a head and shoulders pattern after it breaks out of this ascending triangle. So that is basically all I have for AMC and the stock market. We are looking very, very good. So this is my update on the technicals and fundamentals. Also, we have Black Panther doing very, very well with the numbers. It could be doing a little bit better, but that is always, to be said about movies when they're looking to break their records from their previous ones. But everything is looking good for AMC overall. As you guys can see this in my predictions. Hopefully you found the video informative. If you did, go ahead and drop a like. Subscribe for more content like this. And as always, have fun, stay safe, make money. Peace out. Alright guys, that was the video. Hopefully you found it informative. I know I did. If you did, go ahead and drop a like, subscribe for more content, and as always, have fun, stay safe, make money. Peace out.